The real UFO made in the USA, not by aliens and not by amateurs with big bucks. 3D laser printing can transform refractory metal oxides into turbine blades, burn canisters, internal combustion piston, rings, walls capable of remaining solid in excess of 3,000 Celsius. Iron melts at 1,500 Celsius. The result is an across-the-board upgrade. Here we see an illustration. Pilot section to the side, air intake at the top, planetary gear at the top, gear reduction in the middle towards the bottom, 2 forward drive rockets to the side, jets, it says 2 forward drive rockets / jets to the side, 4 or more rocket motors to the bottom portion to the right, rocket turbine in the lower middle, 4-port exhaust in the lower portion, whole bottom sections removable in the bottom portion. The configuration elements, parachute re-entry from orbit. The nuclear rocket is drone because it takes this design. Okay, this is another design. It is more of a top-shaped UFO. This design, where propellant mass is a neutron shield to protect the crew until nuclear rocket shut off. So here we see an illustration. The pilot is at the top, like a cupola at the top or a dome. The upper portion center is a counter-rotating refractory blades. Equipment cargo is in the center. Propellant mass on the bottom, which shields the pilot from neutron radiation. The nuclear rocket plug nose is on the bottom of the craft. Refractory pods, the landing feet, on the bottom. So that is 2 versions. We got a top-shaped UFO with conventional propulsion, and then we have a lenticular or saucer-shaped UFO with conventional propulsion, and it uses 3D laser printing. Now there's a written description. Here's an additional description of the top-shaped UFO. The top-shaped UFO uses liquid hydrogen propellant location to shield astronauts from neutron exposure, but the same can be said for aerospace shuttle that was canceled over the fuel tank design production problem, like the space shuttle. What the nuclear fission rocket really does is raises specific impulse ISP from 360 to over 800. Add to that laser 3D that melts the highest refractory metal oxide powders, and the fission rocket can attain specific impulse ISP of about 2,000 with no significant loss in static thrust. The refractory lift blades can lift the UFO nuclear top into stratosphere before firing the nuclear rocket, plus soft land on Mars. On Mars, the nitrogen extracted from the atmosphere, it can go more than orbital. It can go well past escape velocity because Mars gravity is 1/3 g. What NASA is trying to develop is a no-throw-away reusable space shuttle because of dangerous accumulation of space junk. The result is a variety of UFO sightings because to go nuclear, one has to first flight test a variety of jet and chemical burn prototypes.